If you have ever tried to buy a laptop, you must have heard the terms Core i3, i5, i7, or i9. But what are these Intel processors, and why do they matter? Let's see that in this quick video. Imagine computers like cars. You wouldn't buy a Ferrari just to drive to school and back, right? That's exactly how Intel Core processors work. They come in different levels, from simple and affordable to insanely powerful. And you should pick the one that matches your needs. Intel has a whole lineup, but the main ones you'll hear about are Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, and Core i9. Now, let's quickly see their differences, starting with the Core i3. This is the entry-level processor, like a small city car. It's designed for basic tasks such as browsing the web, sending emails, attending online classes, or watching movies. It doesn't have many cores, so multitasking is limited. You can run a few apps at once, but if you push it to hard, it slows down quickly. Gaming on an i3 is only good for light or older titles. For editing or content creation, it can handle the basics, but nothing heavy. The good side is that i3 laptops usually last longer on battery, and they're the cheapest option, which makes them perfect for students or office workers who only need the essentials. Next is the Core i5. Think of it as a reliable family car, affordable, yet powerful enough for almost everything. Performance is noticeably better than i3, and it strikes a good balance between speed and efficiency. You can multitask smoothly, and it won't slow down easily. Gaming on an i5 is solid, and it can handle most modern games without a problem. Content creation is possible too. Photo editing and video editing work fine, as long as you're not doing massive projects. Battery life is also decent, since i5 uses power efficiently. Price-wise, it costs more than i3, but is still affordable for many, which is why i5 is often called the sweet spot for most people. Before moving to the next, let's hit on the subscribe button so that you will receive this type of videos and product reviews. Now, let's get right back to the last two. Now we move to the Core i7, which is like a sports car. It's built for high performance and speed. With more cores and higher clock speeds, it can take on heavy multitasking with ease. You can be gaming, editing, and even streaming at the same time without issues. For gamers, i7 delivers high frame rates and smooth gameplay, even on demanding titles. For creators, it's powerful enough for serious video editing, programming, or design work. The trade-off is battery life, since i7 chips consume more power. But the performance boost is worth it for those who need it. Of course, it's more expensive than i5, but the jump in speed makes it a great choice for gamers. Finally, the Core i9. This one is the Ferrari, the ultimate powerhouse. It has the highest number of cores and threads, built for extreme performance. Multitasking is no problem at all, even with massive programs running side by side. Gaming on i9 is overkill if you're just playing, but if you want to game, stream, and record all in 4K at the same time, this chip can do it effortlessly. For professionals working on 3D rendering, 4K video editing, or engineering projects, i9 is the best option you can get, but all that power comes at a cost. It's the most expensive, and in laptops, it drains the battery quickly. Still, if you're a professional who demands the absolute best, i9 is the clear choice. So that's Intel Core processors explained. I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and help me go viral. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will reply ASAP. In case you are wondering which laptop to buy this year, click on this video.